Hi, my name is Lisa O'Shea. I'm from Cahersiveen in County Kerry, and I am a self-employed beautician, single parent, and my daughter is 18, just started college, and we are living in Cahersiveen and currently being evicted from our home that we've been living in for 15 years, which I did try to purchase myself about 3 years ago, but it was outbid in the auction. So I've worked very hard on my business for the last 14 years to build it up and have a good clientele, especially after COVID. And I took that decision years ago because I didn't want to be depending on, social welfare or local authority housing. And I thought, you know what, I'll work hard enough to get what I need. And I've done that over the years. Okay, so I've been renting my home with my daughter with the last 15 years nearly, and the aim was to want to purchase my own home, and I've done everything that we're supposed to be doing, like saving regularly and like that, working hard to try and put my own roof over my head and not to be depending on anybody to do that. But like that, we're being evicted again for the third or second time in 3 years. And with no options to buy. Okay, so it's only 8 weeks to the eviction date and there are no properties to buy. House prices have gone astronomical here in South Kerry, and then there is nothing to rent either. There's too many or too little short-term lets in the locality, and like Christmas is coming in the door as well, and we just don't know where we stand in the next couple of months and what's going to happen. So my message for Minister Chambers is to consider single parents, women especially, because I think it is a lot harder for a woman to get a mortgage in this world, to consider what they're going to do for us and housing in this country and the options that they can explore to do that, like maybe having a grant system in place to help somebody get out of these eviction situations and homelessness around the country, or people living with their parents like as fully grown adults and raising their kids within the same house. Like, he has to do something to make changes and look at the amount of empty properties and derelict properties especially that are in this country. Minister Chambers, I have the answers to what can be done to help housing in this country, and I would love to be given the opportunity to sit down with you and discuss what needs to be done to help people purchase their own homes and to bring some vibrancy back into the likes of rural Ireland as well, and have houses filled with people and families, and to create memories in towns all over the country again.